let's speak about Mullen, baby. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today we're taking a look at Mullen. Now, sadly, it is another poor day for them, and I spoke about them recently, and we pointed out that, you know, when they were here at about 18 cents a share, they were right down there at their lows, and we weren't really hoping to see them go much lower, especially for the people who are buying this company right now. And they went ahead and just did that, sadly, down about 5.5% on the day. But there is some good news coming out literally right now this week, and there could be some potentially really good news at the very end of this month. So that is what we are going to be discussing today. I also would like to point out, before we get into it, Mullen is so oversold right now. They're at a 22 RSI on that 4-hour chart, and then on that daily chart they have just entered about 28. So it's difficult to not see some sort of upward move happening soon for Mullen, especially with relatively solid news coming out. Now, there has been some poor news as well, which I did cover in a video just yesterday. But usually with Mullen, you know, we do see these big downward moves followed by some very, very big upward moves. So if you're not aware, today has been truck week, and Bollinger Motors has been showing off some trucks. And we're going to take a look at these trucks today and why they are important, and why the 31st of March is an important day for Mullen investors as well. So right before we get into that juicy information, could I please ask you to hit that like button for your boy? It helps me out a lot, lets me know that you want more Mullen related content. Drop me a comment down below, let me know, what are you doing with your Mullen shares? I mean, are you doubling down? Are you loading the boat at these 17 cents a share? Have you started to trim out? Were you selling some when they were up in their recent highs? Or are you just watching from the sidelines? Also, if you do end up enjoying today's video, please subscribe for more content. It helps me out an awful lot. I really do appreciate all of the support. It means the world to me. And also, if you are interested in getting some free shares, if you hit the first link in the pinned comment down below, sign up to Webull and deposit $100, you get up to 12 free shares, and you can just go and sell them and load the boat on Mullen. Make Mullen a risk-free position for yourself. It is that simple. You have no obligation to continue, you know, pumping money into there, but Webull is a fantastic platform. I recommend you do sign up. So to start things off, we go over to Mullen's Twitter. We can see that yesterday we got this introducing the Mullen 3 on display at NTEA Work Truck shows this week. This efficient Class 3 low-cab forward urban utility vehicle is also launching in 2023. Now, we can see their Mullen 3 here on their website. We can see the pictures, and you can also see its specs, what it looks like. So, curb weight at nearly 5,200 pounds is a big boy. Max payload about 5,800 pounds. GVWR 11,000 pounds. Range of about 130 miles, which for a vehicle like this, that is considerable. Wheelbase at 130 inches, and there's the length, width, and height measurements. Also has a terminal diameter of 38 feet, not too bad. And if you want to see the exact specs here, you can just pause the video for a sec and have a look for yourself. But overall, it's looking very, very slick, and people will be waiting to see an update on, you know, exactly when it's going to be launching and the pre-orders, things of those sorts. You can see a lot of views and impressions coming in over on Mullen Twitter as well. This being seen here 40.9 thousand times since just last night. I mean, for Mullen, a company of their size, that is a lot of views, and also has more than some of their other posts here. You can see one from March 9th here with 120,000 views, speaking about the Mullen 1, which again, you can see all of the specs over on their website. The Mullen 1 is a Class 1 commercial electric vehicle, anticipated to be the first of its kind in the US market. And I already do have pre-orders for this van right here. You can see their max payload here at just under 1,700 pounds. Cargo volume at 157 cubic feet. Range of 110 miles. And you can see their turning diameter of 20 feet. And again, looks very, very slick. So still quite clearly an awful lot of eyes on Mullen, just judging off of their Twitter alone. People clearly are still quite excited about these vehicles coming to market. But we want to speak about this. Dear MULN Stock fans, mark your calendars for March 31st. So they have not yet announced delivery of the one. However, it still has until the end of Q1 or March 31st to do so. So March 31st, we could be getting delivery updates. Additionally, the vehicle was recently on display at the NTEA Work Truck Week 2023 in Indianapolis, along with the Class 3 low cab. NTEA is the largest commercial truck show in North America, and is a perfect platform for Mullen Commercial. This show gives us the opportunity to establish the Mullen Commercial brand with two great offerings that are coming to market this year. It is a big boy. Okay, the van also has 20% more cargo based on the average segment in comparison. Very important for the people who are actually buying these trucks. You know, you got to keep in mind, it's not just about the specs. It's not just about having a good vehicle. It's about being competitive. It's about being better than your competitors and ultimately being able to sell to your purchasers. Earlier this week, Mullen also made another exciting announcement concerning the One. The company will team up with Rapid Response Defense Systems, a small business federal contractor, to fast-track federal opportunities, so government contracts, for possible large-scale vehicle fleet orders. Shareholders were especially receptive to this news because RRDS holds a prime seat on several federal contracts with a total funding ceiling of $4 billion. I spoke about this in a video earlier on during the week, and I mean, it definitely is exciting for the company. It really, really is. I mean, that's very, very nice. Now, so that is the main thing. When it comes to March 31st, we should be getting an update on deliveries. That is what investors should be looking forward to most, in my opinion. And that could be what we would hope for will bring the stock's price back up. Because as of right now, guys, it's just looking very bad. This is a big downward move. Even from Mullen, this is the most consistent downward move we've seen. It's the most oversold it has been, full stop, which is saying something for Mullen. So you really would hope that that could turn things around. But guys, this is only a really quick video. I don't want to regurgitate the same information I've spoke about very recently on this channel. So if you enjoyed, please do hit that like button, drop me a comment down below, subscribe for more content. Again, if you're interested in those free shares, that's the first link in the description. And I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I hope that you Mullen Bulls get your day. I hope that they do go up relatively soon. I'll see you up in another video very soon. Peace.